In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your personal TikTok account to a business account. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your TikTok account and then click on profile here to reveal the menu bar. Go ahead and tap on menu and then choose settings and privacy. And under this, go to account. Now under account, go to switch to business account. And before you switch to a business account, you are told here that a business account gives you extra features in Business Suite. However, your videos stay the same, but you will only have access to the commercial music library and won't be eligible for the creative reward program. If you are okay with this condition, go ahead and tap on next and do so until you get to the end. Then choose your category. So I've chosen mine and tap on next. And here you'll be required to add your email address, or you can skip this process as well. Now you can finalize with adding your bio. I'll add that and finally confirm. If you don't want to add this, you can also skip and then you'll do it later. And now as you can see, my business account is already set. Now proceed and tap on Visit Business Suite to start interacting with your new Business Suite account. And you can see here it is. So that's how you can switch your personal account to a business account on TikTok. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.